What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Monkey Doodle Show, and welcome to another episode of Quick Draw. Today, we're going to draw a really cool and cute butterfly. Since it's summer and butterflies are everywhere hanging out around flowers, I thought it'd be a great idea. So here we go. Grab your Sharpie or whatever you'd like to draw with. And on the side of your paper, we're going to draw two large loops. Here's one. It's kind of like a C, right? And go down from that part, down and out, a little smaller C, and hook it in a little bit, okay? All right, I'm using my bigger Sharpie for that. We're going to make a long loop like this. Ready? Watch. And up, and then we're going to make a circle at the top of it, okay? Kind of like that. So we have a wing on one side, and we'll make the same thing on the other side, the opposite side. Big loop, and another loop, but not as far out, okay? So it's wider top to bottom, this one, and wider on the sides as it comes out from the body part. And this one is smaller. Good job if you're following me. And I'm going to switch over to my thinner Sharpie, my fine Sharpie, for some smaller detail work. Just makes it easier. And I'm sure you guys are doing a great job. And we're going to do two antennae, two curvy lines that come out, little circle. We're going to put an eye over here, an eye over here, leave a little white in the center, and a simple smile. We're going to keep it simple, guys. And in the middle, we could kind of do whatever patterns you want. Remember, patterns on the wings or patterns anywhere are things that repeat over and over again. And if it's a butterfly, whatever you do on one side of the wing has to match the other. Okay, so we have some circles going on. I could put some lines. Okay, two nice long curves that go from side to side. Again, try to keep things even, right? Same on both sides. And we could do another line. All right, and we could do something similar at the bottom. I don't know what kind of butterfly this is, but it's a happy one. It looks really friendly, and I like that. We'll make a big oval on the bottom here. Again, same kind of shapes on both sides to make it interesting, okay? And you could even do like short connecting pieces on the side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. And as you can see, it's coming along. So remember, keep the pattern even on both sides. And when it's even, we call that symmetrical, okay? That's an important term in art, symmetrical. All right, we'll do a little bit of stuff on the inside real quick. Maybe I'll just do, I don't know. I'll just do a couple of curvy lines just to kind of show that this butterfly's body is curvy, okay? All right, that is about it. That's our summer butterfly, okay, guys? Get ready for some hyperspace coloring. Great job. Thanks for joining me on Quick Draw. If you guys enjoyed this Quick Draw episode of the Monkey Doodle Show, please like and subscribe. And that would be a real great help to our channel. Thanks a lot, guys.